In this video, I'm going to show you a unique strategy that you could use to start making money online. I'm going to show you a website that you're going to leverage on to make recurring commissions. If you want to know what this method is, then let's jump right into this video. The first thing would be to go to Google to search socialpilot.co. On this website, you'll be able to manage social media accounts. An interesting thing is that everything you need to hit your social media marketing goals, you're going to get it at an amazing price. And another interesting thing is that you can start a free trial. Okay, so if we keep going down here, you can see they've got over 5,000 brands that love this website. Okay, so they've got different price plans for their services. They've got the $129 per month plan, they've got the $99 per month plan, and each of these plans has their benefits. Okay, so if we keep going down, you can see the interesting things you can have as a customer on this website. More accounts plus more posts equals to better value for your money, and they've got powerful social media analytics. And if you keep going down, you can see engage efficiently with your social inbox. Okay, so we've got a lot of interesting and juicy offers from this website. Okay, so you might be saying, what has this to do with making money? Now, this is it. When you're on this website, what you're going to do is you scroll down to the bottom here, and then you're going to see where it says affiliate program. So you're going to click that affiliate program button, and then you're going to sign up as an affiliate with them. When you sign up as an affiliate with them, you're going to earn 30% recurring commissions for bringing people to this website to use Social Pilot. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to hit that get started button. If you are interested, you hit this get started button. You hit this get started button, and then you sign up. Once you sign up, you'll be able to have access to an affiliate link which you're gonna promote. And now when people sign up on this website for each of their plans, you're gonna get a 30% recurring commission. Now you might be saying, well, how am I gonna get people to come to this website? This is difficult to do. Now this is not difficult. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the strategy you could use to get people to come to this website and sign up for these plans, and then you get your 30% commission. Okay, so let's head over to the next step. Now you're going to come to this website, peoplepayhour.com. okay, you're going to go to Google and search this. This is a freelancing website. This is a website where you can get a lot of people who offer a lot of services. Okay, so now if you come to this website and search social media managers, okay, if you search, use this search bar here to search social media managers, you're gonna see a lot of people here who are already selling services here as social media managers. Now these people here use websites, or you could say softwares like Social Pilot, okay, to render their service on this freelancing website. Okay, you can see a lot of them. You can see this person is charging $995 to do the same thing. This person is charging $30. You can see different price plans here. This person is charging $110. This person is charging $35. Okay, so one way you can make money using Social Pilot is also to come here and create an account as a freelancer on this website. Okay, use Social Pilot to manage social media accounts for people. Now, but for you to do this, you would need a certain amount of money as your starting capital to do this. Then what you're going to do is, once you are here, you are gonna make sure you advertise Social Pilot to them. You might be saying, how am I sure that these people are probably going to use Social Pilot to freelance on this website when I sell the idea to them? Now, every marketer wants to do their services at a lower cost while still offering quality service. Now that's the catch. And another interesting catch is that the Social Pilot offers a free trial. That's very key. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at these people here. For example, let's say you want to contact this person. Okay, of course I recommend you contact all of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to visit this guy and then message him. Okay, so at first you're not going to send him your affiliate link. You're basically going to write him a message, something in the lines of I've got an excellent software that could help you run your business on peoplepayhour.com at a lower price but you are gonna get quality service. And then you can also test run this thing by starting a free trial. If you're interested, reply me on, you put your email address. Okay, so at first when you reach out to these guys, you're not gonna send them the affiliate link, because once you do that, they will know you want to sell them a product. Of course, when you message them, they would know you an affiliate, of course, but they would out of human curiosity want to know what product you're selling or what you're talking about. Probably it's what they are using. Okay, they might want to compare it with what they are already using. So what you're going to do is you come to this place and reach out to each of those guys. Okay, you reach out to each of those guys, and then you are going to probably get 1 or 2 people to sign up. And now the interesting thing is that on Social Pilot, you're gonna earn recurring commissions. Okay, so you might also want to try this thing on other social media platform, other freelancing platforms like Fiverr and the rest. Okay guys, so this is the business strategy for today. This works, a lot of people are doing it. If you want to make money online, this is one way you could start. This is Brigxel Bees, and it's your guy Ken signing out.